almost forgot to film the start of today's vlog. Bright and early, we are trying to get the doors fixed, which means us cutting 5mm off one of the doors. So yeah, cue the time lapse of us cutting. So we made a mistake putting that one there because we don't really... Sure. Yeah, so we don't really need that because this wall is not an external wall, so it's not going to be insulated. So we're going to have the air behind the plasterboard anyway with just the wooden beams. So trusses. Is it trusses? Yeah, not sure. Anyway, we're going to remove it and put it here. So it's just a short day for us today. We are going to go to Milano. The stonemason Murator is going to continue working on slight work over there and then take care of this wall. And he's done this today and he's working on this, so we are making progress. So this is what we come home to every day. We are off to Milano later this afternoon, but before that we're going to go to the Comune to get the permission to connect our house to the the communal water system. So yeah, that's next. So this is our communal building, so let's head inside and see how this goes. Okay, so we basically have about 40 days before we have water, I guess. It's gonna be 20 days before or maximum 20 days before they arrive, and then some sort of meeting, and then they have another 20 days for them to connect our house to the system. So yeah, a month and a bit, and then maybe we have water. It's Italy after all. Yeah, that's my crazy wife.
Some potatoes.
Okay, so I'm gonna end it for today. I don't think we're gonna do. I don't think we're gonna do much more, especially not at the house. So just a short vlog. We'll be back tomorrow. Ciao.